औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलैना हिफ़्ज़क व वंशुर रहमतक या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी असअलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बदनी अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी समई अल्लाहुम्मा आफ़िनी फ़ी बसरी ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलामु अलैकुम everyone. Now here we are today is Wednesday, 12th May 2020, Computer Science 2210 O level. This is chapter number 1. Our topic is binary number and hexadecimal. Yesterday we have discussed about how to convert binary numbers into denary and what are the uses of binary numbers and why we need binary numbers. We need binary numbers because computer only understand binary language. That's why we need to convert it into binary numbers. What is binary? Binary is base 2. It has only two digits, 0 or 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and computer only understand machine language, which is called binary numbers. And here we are. These are the binary numbers 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That's it. Okay, quickly I'm going to recap. Yesterday we have studied convert binary numbers into denary, isn't it? These are the binary numbers. It's called 1 byte of information. Okay, what is byte? You can see my previous tutorial that I have described that what is meant by byte, bit, and all that. Okay, basically it's a smallest memory unit. Okay, after that, okay, yesterday we have done this binary numbers into denary number. So I need to verify today. Yesterday I have calculated like that. For example, 128 plus 40, it gives me 168, but I have written there 170 because I was in hurry. Okay, haste make waste. Okay, now let's take a start. Let me verify this. Why I have written this, and after that I need to backtrack. Backtrack means I will verify that our number is denary number is correct. When we will backtrack or go back, kind of reverse engineering. So let's take a start. There is another way to convert binary number into denary. For example, this we take start from the right side. Right start, and then we will move from towards the left side. So the last side, this is base 2. We need to multiply each digit with base 2, and then we need to add them. So this is 2 power 0, 2 power 0. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, and 2 power 7 is the easiest way. Okay, let me show you over here. I'm going to delete this. Hopefully we have got that what we are going to do today. So here I am going to convert this 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. It's 1 byte of information. 8 bits are called 1 byte. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now I am going to solve this. First of all, I will put is equal to sign, and then I will take start from here. I will put these dashes like that. You can even draw arrows like that. It will make your life easy when you are doing CIE exams. Okay, when you are taking some exams, so you they need only answers. Okay, convert this binary number into denary. They only want the denary number. They will give you word space, but they only give you marks for that. In some cases, when I am taking your test, so I will even give you marks for each step. 1 marks for the correct answer and 2 or 3 marks for the procedure. So here is the first step. So I need to click here. Computer student teacher owner to click here. Okay, now look here. This is 2 power 0. This is base 2. So I will put 2 power 0 here. Then 2 power 1. I just put 2 here. Okay. Then you need to give a power here. Take start from 0 and then move towards right to left. 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now I need to write the answer. 0 multiplied with any digit will give you 0. So whatever comes over here, it will give you 0. So our end result is 0. So 2 raised power 1. It means that you need to multiply 2 how many times? 1 time. So we will get 2 ones are 2. So our net result will be 2 over here. We need to add all this, and then 2 power 2 means 4. 2 2s are 4. It's not like that. 2 2s are 4. It means that 2 power 2 means you need to multiply this base into how many times? 2 times. So ये ऐसे हो जाएगा like that. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. and 2 power 3 means then you need to multiply 2 how many times? That time. You need to multiply this 2 how many times? This time. So we will get here 8. Then keep going. Okay. Then 4 multiply with 0 will give you 0. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 multiply 1 will give you 8. 8 ones are 8. Then 8 twos are 16. 16 multiply 0 will give you 0. Then 16 twos are 32. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 multiply 1 will give you 32. 32 ones are 32. Okay, then 32 twos are 64. 64 multiply 0 will give you 0. And then 2 power 64 twos are 128. 128 ones are 128. 2 power 7 is equal to 128. So I need to add all these numbers. Okay, so here we are. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 32 is 42. 42, 42 and then 42. Yes, it's a 42. 42. Okay, 42 plus 28. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. Then 4 to 6, 7. Okay, fine. I was right yesterday. Okay, now we got which binary number? This is our answer, 70. This is our binary number and it is base 10. So now I am going to recheck this, that convert this binary number into binary number. So I am going to erase this all. Okay, Ji. Now let's check we got this or not. So we got this binary digit. So we will convert. This is binary number. Sorry. Now the B part is convert binary into binary. Binary into binary number. So let's take a start. So here is the binary number. I am going to convert this. So I need to divide this by like that. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, Ji. 2 power. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. It will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. 0 remainder. This is called remainder. You need to write it. This is important. Now this, in this case I am generating binary number. So again 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 0 remainder. Then 2 1s are 2. 10 2s are 20. 1 remainder. Okay. Then next I'm writing this over here. So I will do like that. 10 2s are 10. 5s are 2 5s are 10. 0 remainder. Then 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2 and we will get 0 remainder. So here is we have converted this binary number into binary. Now we want to write its binary number over here. So 170 binary and its binary is like, for example, I am going to write it. We need to start from the left side. Take start from the left side. Left, move from left to right and from bottom to top. Move like that. Okay, so first I am going to pick 1. So I will write here 1. Then I will write 0. Then I will write 1 0. Okay, after that again we have here this one 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 and 1 0. 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. It's total 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Bingo. Thank you very much. See you in next tutorial. If you have any question, any query, you can write in the comment box. Okay, then I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Almighty Allah bless you.